Hey everybody, if you're like me and you get some sore muscles sometimes, nice to have one of these little percussion massagers here. And I'll show you guys this one here. This one's RENPHO Mini Thermal. So it's going to have some heating abilities in it as well. Let's see what we got here. It says 2 color casings. It comes with a nice little case in here. Wasn't even expecting that, but okay, let's open this up. And inside we have the device. It looks like we have a charging cable from, looks like USB to USB-C. That will be to charge it. We have a few different heads. We have the device. And then we have, I guess this is going to be that what it said, like different color casings. So if you're into colors, you can choose different colors. So whatever color this case is here, I guess you have this piece and this piece for it. And then here is the device. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like there. Oh, so it's got the little silicone cover on it there. So I could change the silicone off and put on this one here. I'll have it go like there. So now instead of it being dark gray, it's maybe a lighter gray or pink or something. I'm colorblind, so I'm not exactly sure, but you get the idea. You can switch that out if you want. Let's see, how do we turn it on? Is it going to be on the bottom here? So this is where you'll charge it and turn it on. So I hold it down and it turns on, and then that is level 1, level 2, and level 3. So that one there is pretty heavy duty. Ooh, that's gonna be good. It's gonna get some in the muscles there. So this one here is, I guess I'll hold it down again okay, so there, that is that particular head. And then I think to change out the heads, it's just, you just take off the little silicone piece, and I could put on this one here if I wanted to have it be a little forehead massager, or I could have a little pinpoint one. And they are fairly soft and rubber, so it's not gonna dig through you. And then we have a ball one as well. Cool, these things have come a long way. Before you used to have to switch out the whole heads and everything. Now it's just all handheld and small, and this one here is ridiculously powerful for what it is. I mean, I could stop it, but it's hard, man. Oh, it starts back up again. But you get the idea. So yeah, they've really come a while. So these are cool. So I can now, I don't know if you see, I'm vibrating totally. Oh, it feels good. I need somebody to come here and do this on my back for me. It feels so good. But there you go. So that is it. And you just hold it down again to turn it off. It says to use the heating function, remove the silicone head first. And then I guess so then it will be heated. And to enable the heating function, double press the power button. So that will be heating at that point. So there you go. You got heat, and it'll just be a nice heated one, or you can have the massage. It's got everything. This is great. So totally cool, totally compact. Thumbs up.